You can see that light rain coming down here in Oak Park. This is the rain that's expected to turn into snow tomorrow morning. And tonight, grocery store parking lots were packed. Right now, road crews are resting up, and a lot of kids across Metro Detroit already know they don't have school.
Getting prepared for it. I think that's the best thing to do.
Quiet roads Tuesday night, marking the calm before what's expected to be a massive snowstorm. Some grocery store shelves at Kroger and Waterford nearly empty as shoppers stocked up.
We could be stuck for a couple days, so I feel like they're just grabbing, a bunch of stuff right now. So
I've never seen anything like it. It's been crazy trying to keep up with all this demand.
Just down the street at McNabb's Hardware, employees stayed busy as customers came in for snowstorm essentials.
A lot of people have been coming through the store today asking for whether it be snow shovels, salt, propane. We've experienced more business today than we probably have all winter combined.
As for road crews at the Oakland County Road Commission, they're resting up and will come in when the snow starts to fall early Wednesday morning. This time they can't pre-treat the roads.
But because we're going to have rain tonight, that would just wash the brine away and it wouldn't do any good. So in this case, unfortunately, there isn't much we can do other than wait for it to get.
Once the snow arrives, crews will work for 16 hours, rest for 5.5, then come back. The pattern continues until they get the snowy roads under control.
We hit the busiest roads with the most traffic first. So that's the freeways, the major surface streets, and we work down. And that means that subdivision streets are the last that we get into, which means it could be 2, maybe 3 days till we get into the subdivisions.
Meanwhile, school districts across Metro Detroit, including Rochester Community Schools, have already called for a snow day. Superintendent Dr. Robert Shaner says after hearing about the storm and its expected impact, student and staff safety had to come first.
Rochester's kind of unique and people don't realize it, but 40% of our roads are dirt. We belong to 6 different municipalities. We're a 66 square mile school district. And it's very hilly.
While Dr. Shaner would rather kids be in school,
it's also a gift to spend some time with our families and with our children. So hopefully they'll read a good book and maybe go sledding or something like that if they can in their backyards and be back at school on Thursday.
the superintendent says switching to virtual learning at the last minute would have ultimately been too stressful on both their staff and also their family members. So they did opt for that snow day. The superintendent says they also work with meteorologists and they also speak to other school districts really across Oakland County, really monitoring those weather conditions. The superintendent says they go over the weather data with their meteorologists every 6 to 8 hours to determine if they will be in school on Thursday and Friday. Of course, we'll keep you posted with this winter storm all throughout tomorrow, so stay with us both on air and on fox2detroit.com. For now, reporting live, Veronica Meadows. We'll send it back to you.